Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm Andrew, and if you clicked on this video to find the most comprehensive install video for the XKGlow fifth wheel light, then you're in the right place. We partnered up with XKGlow to offer the most detailed install video for their fifth wheel light designed for Jeeps and Broncos. There simply isn't a fifth wheel light that even comes close to the quality and functionality XKGlow has packed into this product. It has running lights, brake light, sequential turn signaling, and a blinding reverse light. Today we're going to cover everything you need for the install and a complete step-by-step guide on our Jeep Wrangler. This video is your one-stop shop for any questions you could possibly have regarding this product by XKGlow. Let's get right into it. The Jeep we have in the shop didn't have a tow package, so we had to hardwire this fifth wheel light into the taillights. If your vehicle does have the tow package installed, then you can use the provided 4-pin plug. That way you'll only have to hardwire your reverse light. Let's get into the step-by-step guide of installing this XKGlow fifth wheel light on our 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Step 1. Start by removing the spare tire. Step 2. Open your tailgate and remove the plastic panels, trunk tray, and jack access panel. This will come in handy later when routing your wires. Step 3. Give your spare tire mount a quick wipe down and mount the fifth wheel light. We found it was very helpful to mount the lugs back on, that way your fifth wheel light doesn't accidentally fall off during install. Step 4. Since we are hardwiring this fifth wheel light for the installation, let's start this install by cutting off the 4-pin plug and removing all the necessary components. Step 5. We need to route the fifth wheel light harness through the tailgate factory grommet. You want to pull off the grommet and guide the fifth wheel light harness, reverse, and dedicated power wire through the hole. Step 6. You need to remove both taillights to gain access to the factory wiring harness. Step 7. You'll need to use a multimeter to identify the following wires on your taillight harness: ground, brake light, running lights, left turn signal, right turn signal, and reverse lights. You can check all the following by having a friend sit in the vehicle and trigger each function while you check the active voltage on the corresponding wires. Make sure to mark each wire with its dedicated function using a piece of tape and a marker. This will come in handy later on. Step 8. You will need to feed the reverse light wire and the fifth wheel light harness into the passenger side taillight cavity. But it is important to realize there is a factory plug inside the taillight cavity that needs to be punctured in order to make a path for the guide wire to be fed behind the rear plastic panel. To do this, you will use a guide wire of your choice, which is not included in the kit. For our application, we used some scrap wire in the shop and pulled the harness and reverse wire through. Step 9. Peel back the factory taillight harness shroud to gain access to your wiring. Since you already labeled each wire with its function, refer to your labels to tap the wires from the fifth wheel light into the taillight wires. Once the harness and reverse wire is fed through, be sure to cut off the unnecessary slack. Step 10, you still have one more wire to hardwire, and that is the yellow wire that needs to be routed to the driver's side taillight. We found it was easiest to make an incision on the fifth wheel light harness near the hinge of the tailgate. Then locate the yellow wire and pull it through the hole in the harness. Now you can easily route to the driver's side taillight, concealing it under the tailgate rubber seal. Step 11, to feed the wire into the driver's side taillight cavity, make sure you guide the wire under the rubber seal and under the rear plastic panel. Then you'll want to route and tuck the wire over the tailgate catch post area and underneath the plastic panel a second time. If you put your fingers in the driver's side taillight cavity body hole, you should be able to feel the wire with your fingers and pull it through. Make sure to remove any extra slack from the yellow wire. Step 12, peel back the factory taillight harness shroud to gain access to the wiring again and tap the yellow left turn signal wire. Step 13, now that you've completed the wiring step, check for functionality or if you're getting any codes on your dash. We didn't get any error codes on our dash, so it wasn't necessary for us to install the blue dedicated power wire, which acts as an error canceller if needed. The most common location for someone to source their 12-volt power for the blue wire is from the rear 12-volt plug. Step 14, the final step is to tidy up all of your wiring. We used a combination of wire loom, zip ties, and electrical tape to ensure everything looked factory. Then reinstall your taillights, tailgate paneling, toss your spare tire back on, and you're ready to go. We hope you found this install video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more install videos, lighting news, and updates on the latest lighting products available. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.